Now I want to do some summary statistics for categorical variables. So this is the other part of exploratory data analysis, summary statistics. And if our variables are categorical, the summary statistics that we're interested in are counts, like frequency tables, and relative frequency tables, which are kind of proportions. So we're going to see how to do that in R. Again, we're going to use formula notation. So the stuff that goes inside the parentheses is really similar. It's just the thing that's outside the parentheses that's different. So we're going to use the tally function. And then we could do tally, parentheses, tilde, marital underscore status, comma, data equal GSS. Click the play button. What does that code tell us? It's pretty similar to that bar chart. So most people, 999 or 998, are married. A smaller number are never married, 670 people, and fewer in the rest of the categories. Okay. Another thing that we could do that might make it more interesting is add another argument and say format equal proportion. So let's see what that does. It's giving me the proportions. So 17%-ish are divorced, 42.5%-ish are married. I think I could actually do format equal percent. Let's see if I'm right about this. And now it gives me the percent, 17.16%, 42.5%. So it's just different ways to format the same thing. Gives us the percent in each category. Great. So those are some summary statistics for one categorical variable. Then what if we had two categorical variables? Again, it's going to be similar to our GF underscore bar code. It's a little bit different. So here we're going to use the y tilde x syntax. So we're going to have one variable and then a tilde and then another variable. So maybe I want to know the relationship between marital status and general happiness. And my data is GSS and my format is equal to proportion. Let's look at that. Okay. I might actually change this to percent because I think it's a little bit nicer to look at that way. Still a lot of zeros. Okay, so let's see. Let's try and interpret like this 25.00. That has to do with someone being divorced and also being not too happy. But it's a conditional probability or a conditional proportion, essentially. So it's of the people who are X, 25% are Y. And then we need to figure out which order things go in. So the way that I always do it is I try and figure out if it's the rows or the columns that add up to 100%. Let's see, going across here, 25 plus 18 plus 10, I don't think that adds up to 100%. But if I go down the column, 25 plus 18, it's 43, I think, plus 40, 83, 88, 99. Okay, so this going down the column adds up to 100%. So in this order, we are saying of people who are not too happy, 25% are divorced. And of the people that are not too happy, 40% are never married, 11% are widowed, etc. But if we switch the order of the variables in the formula, so instead of doing marital status tilde general happiness, what if I did general happiness tilde marital status? I have to make sure that I just get one tilde in there. Now if I hit play, okay, I think the 100% still goes down. 21% plus 60% is 81, plus 19, yeah, I think that's about 100%. So if we switch it, then we say of people who are divorced, 20% say they are not too happy. So you have to think about which way you've made your formula when you interpret those percentages.